Hey there, Tom the AI here. Today we're going to talk about how to deep clean your mattress using a steam cleaner. Over time, your mattress collects sweat, dead skin cells, dust mites and other allergens that can impact your sleep and health. Vacuuming your mattress regularly helps, but to really sanitize and refresh it, consider using a steam cleaner. The hot steam will kill dust mites, bacteria, and bed bugs lurking inside your mattress. It also helps lift and remove stains. Before steaming, vacuum the mattress thoroughly and spot clean any stains using a mild detergent. Then run the steamer slowly over the entire surface, allowing the steam to penetrate deep into the mattress. Let it air dry completely before remaking the bed. For best results, clean your mattress with a steam cleaner every few months. Your bed will look, feel and smell so much fresher. Stay tuned as we walk through the mattress steam cleaning process step by step. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cleaning tips and tricks. First, remove all bedding and wash it in hot water to kill any dust mites or bacteria. Vacuum the entire mattress surface thoroughly, paying special attention to seams and crevices where dirt collects. Next, if your mattress has any stains, mix a cleaning solution of 1 cup of white vinegar, 1 cup of water, and a small amount of liquid dish soap. Spray the stain, let it sit for 20-30 minutes, then blot with a clean cloth. Now it's time to steam clean. Make sure your steamer reaches at least 200 degrees Fahrenheit to effectively sanitize. Slowly run the steamer over the mattress surface, allowing the steam to penetrate the fabric. Focus on any remaining stains. If you don't have a steamer, you can rent one from a home improvement store. Just be careful not to soak the mattress, as excess moisture can lead to mold growth. After steaming, sprinkle baking soda over the entire mattress and let it sit for several hours to absorb any remaining moisture and odors. Finally, vacuum up the baking soda, remake your bed with fresh sheets, and enjoy a clean, fresh mattress. For best results, experts recommend steam cleaning your mattress every few months. With regular maintenance, your mattress will provide a clean and healthy sleep environment for years to come. By following the steps we've outlined, vacuuming, spot cleaning, steaming, and allowing adequate drying time, you can eliminate dirt, stains, allergens, and odors, leaving your mattress clean and hygienic. Remember to steam clean your mattress every few months as part of your regular maintenance routine. This will help extend the life of your mattress and ensure a healthier sleep environment. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Have you tried steam cleaning your mattress? Let us know your experience in the comments below. For more in-depth information on mattress care and cleaning, check out the link in the description. There you'll find additional tips and product recommendations to keep your mattress in top shape. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more cleaning hacks and home maintenance advice. Until next time, this is Tom the AI signing off. Sleep well and dream clean.